welcome to IWM Buzz. Thank you so much for joining me out here. It's a pleasure. And first of all, I want to start with the singer, obviously, because he's the main voice behind whatever we see on screen. आप मुझे ये बताइए कि रणदीप and Ashnur, they are humongous when it comes to the popularity and fame that they command. It is, I mean, unbelievable, and everybody is aware about it. So when you're voicing for people like them, does it add to the pressure कि नहीं यार मतलब on screen में तो ये लोग संभाल लेंगे the chemistry and everything, but यार the voice and the clarity and everything also has to match up to that level. So as a singer, do you feel that pressure कि मतलब या फिर नहीं यार मतलब even they are at par and I'm also at par, so together it's like a collective teamwork.
You know what? IWM वाले सारे लोगों को मैं एक बात कहना चाहता हूँ कि जो दो हमारे सामने शख्सियत है ना, रणदीप एंड अश्नू, ये अगर जनरेटर के साउंड पे भी अगर एक्टिंग करेंगे ना, वो जनरेटर भी हिट हो जाएगा।
ये अश्नू तुम्हारे लिए है, मैं तो बीच में वो हो रहा हूँ।
अरे यार, come on.
So they are like stars. People love them, guys. अगर आप जाके YouTube पे देखेंगे ना, तो हार्डली किसी ने लिखा होगा हरीश मोहेरा। But I'm so glad that Randeep and Ashnur, they have worked so amazingly, जो उन्होंने एक्ट किया है, वो खुद इतने खूबसूरत लग रहे हैं, इतने हैंडसम लग रहे हैं रणदीप, तो I'm so glad that मेरे को बड़ी खुशी मिल रही थी यार कि such amazing people are doing my songs. So that was, और आपने बोला कि
he is handsome 24/7 365 days. उसमें I mean there's nothing new in that.
No, it's our pleasure.
तो सुपरस्टार्स हो, गाना अच्छा हो, सुपरस्टार्स जब होंगे तो अपने आप वो प्लेटफॉर्म फर्क नहीं पड़ता, चाहे टीएम म्यूजिक हो, पीएम म्यूजिक हो, कहीं पे भी हो, लोग जाके देखेंगे. आप लोगों को ये पूछना है कि whenever you, whatever reasons you had to collaborate, as he said that the song was made first and then you guys came on board. आप लोगों को क्यों लगा कि ये गाना क्यों लेना चाहिए? Because I'm pretty sure you must be getting a lot of music videos and all के offers. So what was the touching impact and the point for you जिसके वजह से you thought कि नहीं ये गाने में तो करना ही चाहिए? And especially for you, Randeep, because I think Ashnur is a little more active on the music video space compared to you. I think this might be your, is it your first music video? If I'm not wrong?
Yeah, first.
So the question is, especially I would want your answer to come in first and then obviously Ashnur can continue.
Buddy, to be very frank, जब मुझे प्रतीक ने अप्रोच किया था इस सॉन्ग के लिए, तो मैं अश्नूर को तो जानता था, बाकी मैं रामजी सर को भी नहीं जानता था. मैं हरीश सर के बारे में उन्होंने बताया तो मैंने सर्च कर लिया था उनके बारे में, तो मुझे जेन्युइनली गाना अच्छा लगा था. और रही बात टीएम म्यूजिक की, तो मुझे तो जेन्युइनली कभी फर्क पड़ा नहीं है सब चीजों से. प्रोडक्ट अच्छा होना चाहिए, मेरे लिए मेरा प्रायोरिटी वही होती है. तो मुझे तो जब तक लॉन्च नहीं हो तब तक मुझे पता भी नहीं था कि कहाँ पे लॉन्च हो रहा है, कहाँ नहीं हो रहा है, ना मैंने पूछा उनसे. बट जब मैंने गाना सुना, मैंने स्ट्रेट अवे उनको हाँ बोल दिया था कि यार मैं कर रहा हूँ इस चीज को. तो मेरे लिए वो बहुत सूदिंग लगा मुझे आपकी आवाज हरीश जी. जेन्युइनली मैं ये नहीं बोल रहा हूँ मैंने आपका गाना किया है, बट मुझे भी वही रिव्यूज मिले मेरी फैमिली से, मेरे फ्रेंड से कि गाना बहुत सूदिंग है, आवाज बहुत सूदिंग है. तो तो मैं बड़ा लकी हूँ जो मेरा डेब्यू इतने अच्छे लोगों के साथ हुआ है. So
I think exactly what I was talking as well, Harish ji, ki the texture that you bring in with your voice. Romantic gaane mein the lyrics they matter a lot, but also I mean look at why Arijit Singh is such a hit, because of I must come to you on this because you are comparatively more, as I said, more active on the video space, music video space as well as TV. So it becomes it's a different challenge because then you are like picking and choosing. There are many offers coming. So अगर एक गलत हो गया तो it might not go the way you want. So what made you go for this one and what made you feel कि यार ये तो काम करेगा ही करेगा पक्का?
For me, like talking about music albums, then three things really matter to me. 2-3 things that I always look for in a project before I say a yes is first the song and the lyrics. And इधर तो कोई doubt ही नहीं था because it was such a soothing song with such amazing lyrics and such a cute song, I would say. Plus, I guess, second, the concept, because I always look for things that I have not done before. So this was totally into the teenage romance, the cute, adorable moments that we have. And plus, of course, there were Ramji sir. Then there was Randeep that added, so that was like a cherry on top of the cake. So all these things contributed together, and I was like, I have to do it.
रणदीप, मैं आपको ये पूछना चाहूंगा, मैं कमेंट सेक्शन देख रहा था वहां पे. I am telling you, I swear, brother, there were few comments जहां पे आप initially उस टाइम पे, as per the narrative of the song, obviously I understand that, कि आप अश्नूर में गुस्सा हो रहे थे. लेकिन अश्नूर के जो फैंस है दे अंडरस्टैंड ऑब्वियसली कि वो गाने का नैरेटिव है, लेकिन वहां पे वो लोग आपको बोल रहे हैं एक्चुअली कमेंट्स पे, सो मच इज द फीलिंग दैट इज गोइंग इनसाइड द सॉन्ग कि यार तुम ऐसे अश्नूर जैसे खूबसूरत लड़की के ऊपर गुस्सा कैसे हो सकते हो। तो ये सवाल पूछ रहे हैं वहां पे यूट्यूब कमेंट्स में, आप लोग जाके देख लो, मैं मजाक नहीं कर रहा। तो यू नो ऐसे ये जो obsessed fans and you know who are like so much, I mean you can't really justify, but you know people are feeling the song, that is why they're like so much engrossed into it, which is why these kind of questions also coming. So I mean, would you want to add anything to justify that, because I don't think there's anything that you can say on a rational level.
तो मैं इतनी बार गाना देख चुका हूँ अपना, मैं अभी भी देखूंगा ना तो मैं खुद सोचता हूँ मैं कि यार मैं इसको डांट क्यों रहा हूँ। मैं खुद सोचता हूँ मैं अभी क्यों डांट रहा हूँ इसको, ये वाली सी है, मैं क्यों इसके पीछे पड़ा हूँ। मैं जब देखो जब डांट रहा हूँ वो आ रही है, बार-बार आ रही है, मैं इग्नोर करके जा रहा हूँ। तो वो क्वेश्चन मेरे दिमाग में भी था वैसे, तो मैं इस बार अश्नूर के फैंस के साथ हूँ।
हाँ, तो अभी वो फैंस मान जाएंगे, बिकॉज जो उनका शिकायत था दैट इज बेसिकली टेकन केयर बाय रणदीप। अश्नूर, मैं आपको ये पूछूंगा कि ये जो है,
सॉरी 1 सेकंड, मेरी ना बाहर अंधेरा हो गया, मैं टेरेस पे बैठी हुई हूँ तो बहुत गंदी लाइटिंग आ रही है।
बट आई थिंक इट्स दिख रहा है सब कुछ,
दिख रहा है या मैं अंदर जाऊं?
अरे लाइट कम है, मैं देता हूं ये लाइट।
पहले से
सब लोग यहाँ से ऑलरेडी लोगों को गाना पसंद आ रहा है, रोशनी रोशनी है हर जगह, और कितना रोशनी चाहिए।
Okay.
But you know Ashnoor, I was coming to this point exactly where Randeep was also saying that he also felt यार मैं इसको क्यों डांट रहा हूँ। Now coming to the ignorance part, obviously you guys are heartthrobs of the modern day generation, just like Randeep must be having millions of girls after him, you also must be having millions of men after you. There's nothing like that. You people are the modern day crushes of the millennials. तो जब किसी को you get this weird, some things are like really normal and आप बोल सकते हो कि हाँ you appreciate, but some ये जो कुछ होता है ना, some kind of crushes are like beyond the expectation level and they kind of get into your head, मतलब you don't really know how to avoid, because it turns into obsession. So ऐसा कभी fandom have you expressed or kind of experienced from your end कि when probably a male fan came up to you and you can't really absorb the fact how he's reacting seeing you. I mean, it must have happened with both of you, but I want to first know about this from your end.
From my end?
Yes.
Touch wood, अभी तक ऐसा crazy moment तो नहीं आया है कभी. Like a face-to-face moment with a fan. But there surely is a fan in Kerala. Yeah, his name is Kalidas. I still remember. So he's been a fan since I was in Napolitan when I was 7 years old. So even he's like almost of my age. And I remember, so what he does is on every birthday of mine, he would cut a cake, he would keep all gods in front, he would pray for me. He can't speak Hindi properly, he can't speak English, but he still tries to. So what happened last year was I was shooting for Patiala Babes, and this guy, he came to Mumbai without knowing my address, without knowing anything, without having any contacts, a place to stay. He got a cake and he got some flowers from his temple in his hometown. And
dedication
and the entire night he was outside. He cut the cake at 12 on the road, and somehow he got the production house address, and then he reached on the set, and when he met me, he was literally shivering. So I guess that was a surreal moment for me, that getting to know that the guy who doesn't know English, Hindi, nothing, is in like a strange place, a strange surrounding, without any clue, but he still come to meet me on my birthday. So that's one experience that is always going to be memorable for me.
But ये हरीश सर को मैं I want to ask कि ये गाने के सेट में ऐसा कुछ हुआ where fans are coming in all the time and they are bothering कि नहीं, they're going crazy seeing Ashnoor, they're going crazy seeing Randeep, and have you seen anything like that?
You know what, शुभजीत, मुझे दुबई जाना था ये गाने में इन लोग के साथ फीचर होने के लिए, but मैंने डिसाइड किया यार इतने अच्छे बंदों के बीच में एक बिना बात पे एक बिना
अरे यार,
you should have been there. You should have been there.
मैं वो मोमेंट ना मिस कर गया, मैं देख ही नहीं पाया इनके मैं लेकिन सोशल मीडिया पे बहुत अच्छे से देख पा रहा हूँ, बिकॉज लोग जिस तरह से क्रेजी हैं. एंड अश्नूर को तो एक पार्टी में मिला भी था. अश्नूर, if you remember, I made your boomerang. Did you remember that?
Yes, I do.
That day जब मिला था अश्नूर को, तो she is such a simple and such a graceful girl. मैंने उसी दिन तय किया था, जैसे ही राम जी ने अश्नूर का नाम लिया, मैंने बोला पाजी अश्नूर को ही लॉक करते हैं हम. And like you know, Randeep के लिए भी मैं बोलूँगा, I saw him on television and he is such a handsome and such an innocent boy. Like देखिए चेहरा एकदम कमाल की स्माइल और एवरीथिंग. तो जब
like स्माइल से ही जान ले बस. But Randeep, I mean, I must ask you this as well. You experienced any kind of crazy fan moment like that where you were taken aback कि यार ये क्या हो रहा है मेरे साथ?
But I'm sure मैं अगर बताऊंगा तो वो सुन लेंगे और उनको लगेगा कि मुझे पता है उनके बारे में सारी चीजें. तो मैं सोच रहा हूँ अवॉइड कर देता हूँ बताना. क्योंकि मेरे साथ थोड़े से अजीब से किस्से होते रहते हैं. But कुछ नहीं कर सकते. उनका प्यार है यार. उनका तरीका है वो प्यार जाए.
Exactly. Different people have different ways of emoting.
हाँ. तो 90% तो हमें खुशी मिलती है, बट कई बार ऐसा होता है कि जिससे हमें शायद पर्सनल लाइफ में थोड़ा प्रॉब्लम्स भी हो जाती हैं. सो बट ठीक है, उनका नजरिया है, उनका तरीका है प्यार जाहिर करने का, तो चलता है. उनकी वजह से हम जो भी है.
You know, Harish ji, Ashnoor, Randeep, we have spoken enough about the song. Now I have a small game segment for all of you. यहाँ पे basically the rule is कि आप तीनों ही बोल सकते हो, because the game is who's most likely to. So basically मैं एक सवाल पूछूंगा. And since you guys have kind of known each other, I mean, at least I don't know गाने के पहले या गाने के बाद, but now that at least you guys know each other, so I'll take some interesting questions, and you guys have to say who's most likely to do that particular activity. The question is, who's most likely to forget a loved one's birthday between the three?
No one. I think it's there on every Instagram everywhere. अभी तो सोशल मीडिया का इतना प्लस पॉइंट हो गया कि हमें सबका सब कुछ पता होता है मोस्टली.
यहाँ तक मेरा मानना है. Yeah. So who's most likely to forget people's names? मतलब शायद आप किसी से मिलते हो, but then the next time you have forgotten their name. मतलब Randeep has already raised his hand. He's saying Papa. Ashnoor has not said anything. So basically Randeep and Harish ji. That's what it is. Ashnoor will not forget the names. Cool. The next question is.
मैंने ना Randeep का एक जगह गलत लिख दिया था, गलती से, वो टाइपिंग मिस्टेक था. भाई साहब मुझे इतने बंदों ने बोल दिया this is not Randeep spelling and this that ये वो. मैं I'm so sorry, I'll correct it now.
ये interesting सवाल है. Who is most likely to forget their wallet or purse while leaving home? Papa and also Ashnoor. Randeep as well. Okay, I can see.
Many.
Oh my God.
I can never forget my phone. But wallet bag वगैरह
wallet purse क्या बात. ये शायद आप तीनों के बीच में हुआ भी हो सकता है. Who is most likely to forget to call or text back? Like probably you missed a call or you missed a message and replied, and Randeep has raised his hand already, and Harish ji has also raised his hand. Ashnoor is pretty sorted when it comes to this.
No. Like it can be a bit postponed, but reply to me.
You will eventually get back.
बहुत देर में रिवर्ट करती है, 2 दिन बाद.
यार मेरी क्लासेस होती है यार.
2 दिन बाद.
Shubhajit, Ashnoor is lying. I sent her message on Instagram, but I haven't got any reply yet.
No. I'll check
so
it.
I think actually, just after this conversation, she'll rush and she'll be like, Harish ji, I need to check this conversation.
Oh, yes.
Okay. Who is most likely to fall asleep while watching a movie or a web series?
Randeep.
Papa.
Ashnoor,
ये बीमारी है मुझे.
Randeep. Harish ji has already raised his hand. So we have the answer. But Ashnoor will never.
You can sleep even in a moving car.
Moving car, train, flight, bus, car.
Yeah.
Everything.
So now I'm singing the song, and अगर आपको कभी गाना हो आपको तो मैं G scale से गा रहा हूँ, तो you can also try. मैं क्यों जावां देखो ओ विता सकदा है.
Look at each other.
देखो ओ विता सकदा है. जे उन्हों मेरे नाल प्यार है ओ विता मना सकदा है. जे उन्हों मेरे नाल प्यार है ओ विता मना सकदा है. क्यों तू लड़दा रहना है हर वेले मेरे नाल. ऐ तां मैं सी चन्ना वे जेड़ी कट गई ने साल. जे ओ चाहे चेहरे पे मेरे हंसी लिया सकदा है. जे उन्हों मेरे नाल प्यार है ओ विता मना सकदा है. जे उन्हों मेरे नाल प्यार है ओ विता मना सकदा है.
क्या बात है. Thank you so much. It was lovely talking to you guys. Randeep and Ashnoor, I think I'm speaking again virtually after बहुत महीने बाद. And Harish ji, I'm very, very happy to be introduced to you today. And thank you so much for this lovely, virtual gig at the end, to wrap up the conversation. And it's only going to make it more interesting. Thank you so much, Randeep. Thank you so much, Ashnoor. Thank you so much, Harish ji. And
thank you so much, buddy.
Mr. Hero, thank you so much for joining over here.
Dave.
And yeah, Dave. So I'm sorry, I'm really bad with names. But मैं नहीं भूलूंगा अभी. Now that I know, I will not forget. Thank you so much, and I wish you guys all the best for whatever you do in the future. And keep slaying, keep rocking, and keep getting all the love from fans that you already do. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, buddy.
Thank you. Bye.
Thank you.
Bye.
Bye.
Bye, guys. Bye.
Bye.
Bye.